Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located just 10 minutes from the Mandeville Town Center, you will find this beautiful home for sale. It is situated on a 1/3 acre lot and comes with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Two of the bedrooms and one bathroom is self-contained. The house is fully grilled for added security. There is open parking spaces for vehicles, veranda on the upper level, spacious living areas. There is a dining area, laundry room, plus much more. This could be your dream home. Make an appointment to view now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37.5 million or US $243.6 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.